All right, home after being gone for one night. Everybody's in the house. Everybody except for the other three outside. Jackson's kennel. Hi, Jack. Go back there. Hi, Clyde. Are you a good boy, Clyde? Are you a good boy? Here's Sasha. Sasha's got a bone. Opie's got a bone. Hi, Opie. Baxter's got a bone. Hey, Bax. Baxter. Oh, he's got two bones. Look at him. He's hoarding. There's Bonnie. Hi, Bon. Come on, Bon. Hi, Bon. And there's Misha. No, get down, you silly. Jazz. Hi, Jazz. Jazz, are you with Dad? Are you with Dad? Huh? Where's Casey? There she is. There's Casey. Hi, Casey. How's Casey? Here, let's go say hi to Jack. Oh, Jack's sleeping already. Jack's in his crate. Taking a nap. Hi, Jack, Jack. Oh, here he is. Hi, Jack, Jack. What are you doing, buddy? Huh? Is you nice and cozy in there? Hey, Josh. All right. Going back in the living room. See who's doing what. Bonnie. Jazz stole a couple bones. Opie still has his. There's Sasha. Sasha with Dad. Hi, Baxter. Baxter. Hi, Baxter. Hi, Baxter. How are you, big guy? Clyde. 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 Clyde, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, Case. All right.